Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a daily sales report in Excel. So let's begin. See this, open your data, total daily sales, use to this formula, press equal D2 D11, press enter. Apply the same process, total profit, sum E2 E11, total quantity sold, equal C2 C11. Then daily sales summary, select A on D11, select A on D11, then go to insert tab, pivot table, go to insert tab, pivot table, click OK. Then select hold click date, insert it rows and values, sales amount, hold click sales amount. See this rows level, customize, filter, OK. Amount, grand total. Again go to sheet on, daily sales chart, insert line chart. Select your sales D or E, go to insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, line chart, choose line chart style, select first on, then again top selling product, pivot tables, rows product, values, quantity sum. Again select, go to insert tab, pivot table, hold click product rows and hold click quantity. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.